Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our channel dedicated to all things bridal shower room decoration. Here we bring you an enchanting world of creativity and inspiration tailored to make every bride to be shower's room truly magical. Whether you are a bride, a maid of honor, or a party planner, our videos are designed to help you transform ordinary spaces into dreamy sanctuaries that celebrate love and joy. Discover a plethora of unique and elegant decoration ideas, die crafts, and thoughtful touches that will leave your guests in awe. From glamorous floral arrangements to charming personalized essence, we have got you covered. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the latest trends, classic themes, and innovative concepts to ensure each bridal shower is an unforgettable experience. Let's make your shower room a reflection of love, laughter, and cherished memories. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our delightful updates. Let's create timeless beauty together for the most cherished moments of a bride's journey. Thanks for